Hey kids, it's LaMena. Welcome to Science from my sofa, only not at all from my sofa because there's no trees in my living room. Actually, there's no trees in my yard. I'm down the street at a business's parking lot. It's fall, and in my state, the leaves are changing, and people are going out leaf peeping, which sounds inappropriate, but is actually just people driving around looking at gorgeous fall colors. It really does sound wrong, though, like we're violating the privacy of plants. I suppose we are. We're staring at them while they're changing. That's problematic. So the tree I'm standing in front of happens to be going through a gorgeous little change where its green is giving way to some really beautiful reds and oranges and yellows, and I love this time of year. Not all trees do this. Some things like conifers don't change colors. Those guys have needle or scale-like leaves, and they're better adapted for the cold. They can actually stay green and photosynthetic all year round. This poor guy behind me can't do that. This is called a deciduous tree, which means it has broad, flat leaves that work like solar panels in the warm weather. But this time of year, it responds to changes in the amount of light and the temperature. It's windy out. No. This tree is responding to changes in the temperature and in the amount of daylight. And there's an interesting process that's going on. These leaves each have a little stem called a petiole, and at the spot where they're joined to the tree, they're actually being slowly strangled to death. It's fun. The tree is building up a layer of cells that is going to redirect nutrients and kind of keep them out of the leaves, forcing them to die and drop off. Deciduous trees do this as a form of self-defense. They're preparing for winter. These big flat solar panel type leaves were a great asset in the summer, but in the winter they're going to freeze over and damage the plant. So they have to be let go. But why do they change these amazing colors? Because the chlorophyll in the leaves, you know, when you studied photosynthesis, that's the green pigment that catches light and uses it as a source of energy in building glucose. That chlorophyll is breaking down. And without that bright green color overshadowing it, you can get other pigments in the plant visible, like orange carotenoids and yellow xanthophylls. Additionally, in the fall, you're going to see the creation of these beautiful anthocyanins, which are bright, gorgeous reds. Anthocyanins are also what give apples and cranberries their color, in the same way that carotenoids color pumpkins. There's a lot of fall going on. So while the weather is still lovely, get out while you can. Enjoy those beautiful colors. Go leaf peeping, only call it something else. That's awkward. Bye. Bonus, there's this flame bush in my yard that is a total anthocyanin festival right now.